Yeah. Closer. Wanda, itu yang
G Styles, the G full of style. Them a pre-we, if you know, you know. Coca-Cola, me day up on top with me crown King Styles. Everything crease and ting in a me palace. Every boy a pre me in a me Rolls Royce. Ngabuli chimuchakabi, everything no.
Hello, great people. How are you doing today? Thanks for watching. The fact that you're on here right now means you're a great fan. We treasure you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to always share with a friend and also to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, to kindly subscribe. So right now we're on the road. I'm headed to Entebbe, going to jet ski. All right, I was going to tell you what jet skiing is, but then why should I preempt the whole thing, Please just know it's gonna be fun, but I can let the cat out of the basket a little bit. It's something to do with water. We're going to be on the water. It's exciting. I'm really looking forward to the whole thing. So please come with us and enjoy. This particular road is called the Northern Bypass. That it's one that is going to connect us to the expressway that will take us straight to Entebbe. So we chose to use the expressway because, there's a toll, yes, involved, but then we'll painfully take that to allow us reach earlier than, would have had we used the main road. So that's why you see we're using this road right now. For those that are familiar with Kampala and the expressway, you already know where we are. I've been looking forward to this day for weeks now, and to be honest, I'm very excited. I can't describe the feeling, but probably because I made a promise in my previous video, so I'm excited to fulfill it. So I said in that video that we need to stop existing and start to live, and also encouraged us to challenge ourselves, give ourselves a fun challenge this year. And my challenge was going to the beach and riding that boat myself. So I'm super excited. I'm really looking forward to it. And just so you know, we are driving a Subaru Impreza. So you already know what it is. We'll be there in a minute. So please tighten your seatbelts. And when I say that, I mean subscribe, like, and remember to comment. Yeah? Let's go. The whole intention is really just for us to capture the whole way, our experience on the road, and then eventually the experience when we get where we're going to jet ski. I'm seated here right now, but my whole mind is, okay, so what am I going to do when I get there? What will it feel like? Am I courageous enough this time? The last time I panicked a little bit, but let's see how it goes. And boom, just like that, we are at the beach. And the gentleman you see there is Eddie Wave Runner. Eddie Wave runs the business of jet skiing at the beach. And I can't help but, share my excitement and, what I'm looking forward to in the course of the day. So, you can see the excitement and stuff, you just can't hide that. Time check, it's 11:30 a.m. The beach isn't busy, and therefore it's a perfect time for a learner like me to maximize my time and my experience down here. And just so you know, that water you see over there is not a pond, it's not a swamp, it's not a swimming pool in my neighborhood. That is Lake Victoria over there. It's one of the largest lakes in the world. So, cut me some slack just in case I don't perform as, you expect me to. But yeah, it's one of the largest lakes in the world. And standing in front of it would make a timid person reconsider the whole thing that they're trying to embark on. But I'll be brave for you, my peoples. Yeah, let's do this. The fact that I came prepared to ride this boat all by myself this time, I didn't want to be embarrassed on camera. So the first thing I wanted to do was to go try it out by myself, just around the shore itself before I go deep in the lake. So this is what I started off with, and you'll see how I see how I fidget at the shores, all a bit scared to go deep in the lake. Nice. I told you in that previous video that it's nice for you to give yourself, to challenge yourself, a fun challenge. So this for me is a challenge. Eddie Wave.
Eddie Wave Runner.
Yes, sir.
Jetski Uganda. Yeah.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm very fine. Yeah, I'm here chilling at the lake as usual with my daily routine, doing the jet ski business here with my customers. Just as you see, that's our first client for today. first timers, you must sit in front and the instructor sits behind. Simply because when you're in front, it's easier for me to shield you. There's no way you can fall off because this machine is very fast. So now when you sit behind and I'm in front, I might overspeed and you end up falling off unnoticed.
Okay.
So when the client is in front, they are very safe.
Yeah.
So you are 100% sure that the client is safe. There's no way they can fall off when they are in front of me. I will always shield them.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Once you're done with it,
Yeah. Nice.
Enjoy a lot. It's a good.
You're loving it.
Yes, I'm loving it.
But then if you're doing it the first, you're not even scared, nothing, you're not
nothing.
You're good, you're a swimmer?
I just enjoy.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
onyigamu akaliro. Aya. Kaba. Ciao. Okay.
So far, I think so far I'm loving it. I haven't mastered it yet, but let me go give it another shot.
That you don't know whose camera.
Eh? Eh?
The way we laugh that you don't know whose camera you can risk.
Hey, you captured?
No, I think.
Hey.